Hey everybody, it's Neil and I was putting in this bidet and I needed a wrench for all those little fittings back there. And check out what I have here. I have this little wrench kit. So it's got, this and this. And so what I'm able to do, I don't know if I can show you guys if it'll fit back there, the camera. But you see it opens up like that. I can put it in there and tighten it up and tighten up my fittings. So that's what I'm gonna have to do here. I've got so much stuff going on right here right now, but let me see if I go this way. I'll put this on the fitting like that, and then I can tighten it. So just kind of a plumbing wrench. So I'm not gonna do it too much right now just because I don't want to, while I'm holding the camera, it's really hard to do. But you get the idea, that's kind of how it works. So it's got two sides to it. Let me open it up. I don't even know if I can get it off with one hand. Cannot. Okay, it's definitely a two-handed device because you have to open it up, clamp it around, and then start using it. But but you get the idea. So you can do the smaller fittings and the bigger fittings. So it's pretty sweet device. And 15/16 and 5/8. Those are your two plumbing sizes. So thumbs up.